Hello everyone, this is Adi. Do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today we have a very exciting topic. I'm going to review and explain a very fantastic course offered by IIT Madras. It's completely online. It's called Business Accounting Process Executive. So they call it BAP Executive. Now this course is completely about accounting. Who needs to take this course? Any professional who's currently in the corporate environment, any fresher, even you may be a mid-level manager or you may be an entry-level manager. You may even be in your university, undergrad university. If you would like to know about accounts, it's a very powerful topic and it's a good subject to have knowledge base on. So this course approximately takes around 50 to 54 hours as per the description given in their website document. All the important links I will be furnishing it in my description section of YouTube, so do not worry, you will be having access to all these documents. So let's dive into this course. So it's being offered by IIT Madras. It's completely self-paced learning, so you do not have to worry about to attend classes. When you are free, you can maybe attend 1 hour, you can do it 2 hours a day. So the best part about this course is learning by doing, which is what is said, because you will be creating a virtual office, and in the virtual office you will be doing a bunch of transactions and processes which will help you understand the whole subject in a holistic manner. So that's the best part of it. And you will also have an initial assessment. Even before you start the course, you will have an initial assessment, and the assessment will rate you and it will tell you where you stand. What all I'm telling right now I will show you in my own dashboard, so do not worry. Then after the initial assessment, you need to go through the lessons, and then there will be individual quizzes at the end of each chapters, and then you will have a final exam. And there are some soft skill based topics also to cover. So as I said in the brochure, it says around 60 hours. Definitely this is a very powerful tool, and the best part is the virtual office which is being inbuilt. I will show you how the virtual office looks also. And this is being accredited by the government, so through the NASSCOM or the Sector Skill Council. So it's a very nice authenticated certificate you will get at the end of the course. Now let's go have a look at the dashboard. This is how it will look once you are done. Of course, when you're going to start, it's going to look a bit different, but this is the dashboard. This is how it looks. As you see in the top, you see BAP Executive. Your course completion would be slowly progressing as and when you're doing. Now the point to note here is there are a certain number of processes and transactions you need to complete to be eligible to write the final exam. So initially you will write the exam, and it will show you where you are placed, and then you start slowly doing the chapters or the individual processes. So I think you will take around half an hour to set up this office. There will be like PAN number, GST number, addresses, name of the founders. You will be giving all these generic information, and it will help you create an office. Once the office is created, you will start going through individual processes. It's like a chapter. So every process you may have to do multiple number of times, which is nothing but the transaction. Let's say I have one process, for example, to create a debit note. That debit note which I have to create, I may have to do it 3 times. So the transactions may be number of transactions required to complete may be 3. So that's the difference between process and transaction. You will be given weightage for individual assessments and the way you complete the course. So then you will be given a net scorecard, and also you will also have to do a minimum number of transaction points. So every time you finish a transaction, you would be given certain points. So let's say, like I said, you are going to create a debit note. Once you create that successful transaction, once you do the journal entries, you will be given maybe 10 points. So it will keep adding, and you will need a minimum number of transaction points to clear this course. So if you see here in this screen, I just showed you that initial the skill gap in my assessment is 41%. So even before I started the course, I scored around 41%. So you will have individual weightage. So for example, the transaction points which I talked about has 20% weightage. So whatever you score, that will get reflected here, and above and beyond the transaction points, it will count in bonus. So that will not have any weightage because those are bonus points. It will get added to your final grade. Revise and recap is nothing but at the end of every chapter. Let's say accounts receivable is one chapter. At the end of the chapter, you will have revise and recap, quiz, and whatever you score in the quiz will be weighted for 20%, and that will reflect. Now this is the interesting part, which is the real-time office, which I personally liked it. I didn't do that great, but it was really good. What happens is real-time office will be simulated, and they will be giving you scenarios, and you will have to correctly identify what are the trigger documents, what are the transactional documents needed to complete those certain transactions. Finally, you will have evaluation. Like every course, you will have an exam, and whatever you score, it will have a bit more weightage. And also last will be the job readiness. Job readiness is also another assessment you will be taking. So this is how this looks like. And of course, this what I showed you is nothing but it's going to reflect here. So weightage and points, whatever is shown in the graph is what shown here. And after you complete, you will be getting the certificate, which will look like this. So you will be really happy to see that you have cleared. And of course, the grade will be given like I showed before. You can see here that if you score between 70 to 85, I got around 82.57. So I got an A grade. So you can always aim for a good grade, and then you will be given this nice certificate from IIT Madras. So what I told you is also there in the brochure. So initially you will have an assessment, then you will have that virtual company which you will create. It will take around half an hour to 1 hour. You will work in the virtual company, and when you are doing those transactions, you will be getting these financial reports. And then you will have interim quizzes, which is nothing but the evaluation, and the real-time office will be continuing. You will have a final exam, and finally you will have a employment readiness assessment, which will not only gather your technical skill set but also gather the level of your soft skills. And finally you will get your course certification. A really neat course. It takes, like I said, 54 to 60 hours. It cost around 9,558. It's really worth it. You can go through the the syllabus, you can go through their brochures, and of course you will get lovely certificates. And I also want to bring in at this time, there are other courses also being offered by this IIT Madras initiative, which is called the Digital Skills Academy. I will post the link in my description, and you have certified cyber warrior, you have Python programming, mutual fund, operation risks and securities, know your bank and finance. And so this BAP course is something which interested me because it actually featured in a lot of newspapers, magazines, reviews, really good. It's a neat course. I highly recommend it. I would rate this course 4.5 out of 5 for the neat content and the neat programming, and you will really enjoy it and you will learn the concepts. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Goodbye.